how to fix the UK Immigration ID app not working on iPhone. What you want to do is go into your iPhone settings, just like that. And here we will use the search bar and find iPhone storage. Once you find iPhone storage, it's going to load the list of all of your applications. And we want to find the UK Immigration app from this list. So just search for it and I'll come back once I find it. Okay, so it's right here. You want to click on the app itself, and then what we're gonna do is select offload app. Once you have offloaded the application, you will click on reinstall. This is basically going to verify the integrity of your files and make sure that the app is correctly installed and that it doesn't face any issues. Now, once this process is complete, it's going to show you the offload button again. That means that it's done. And now your UK Immigration ID Check app should work properly. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.